Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add Sparkline bar in Google Sheets. So get let's started. At first open our Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show add Sparkline bar. Now we can see, then show data, then find from a add sparkline bar. Now select from a row. Now keyboard press from equal. Now type from a sparkline. Enter from first number, select. Then from comma. Then second bracket and double quotation. Now type from start type. Again double quotation, again comma, then again double quotation. Now press bar, again double quotation, then press semicolon, again double quotation, type from max, again double quotation, again comma, then type capital letter max, first bracket, select all number, then press first bracket, then again press second bracket, close, then first bracket, close. Now keyboard press for enter. That is. Now mark from all row. That is. Then I show add sparkline bar, then sparkline is under color. Now keyboard for text color option. That is. Then I show add sparkline bar in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.